Doherty County now. Beginning next week, the Oglethorpe Bridge will be closed to all traffic as construction is set to begin. The city of Albany wants the community to be prepared for delays and detours. Back in June, Georgia Department of Transportation announced that after nearly 75 years, the bridge will be demolished because it was never designed to sustain the weight of modern vehicles. Officials hope the new bridge will improve pedestrian and cycling accessibility by adding a sidewalk, but until it's complete, commuters will have to take a detour between South Front Street and College Drive. For more information on this story, just find it on our website, WALB.com.